You probably hate these motherfuckers that find these little apps and be like, yo, you can make a whole lot of money and shit. I get it. And I've put this app up before, but I'm gonna show y'all the reason why I use it. And hopefully if I can get you to sign up, I'll get $5 from everybody that signs up. But basically, I'm not gonna lie. Like, everybody's like, do this damn app and everything will be great for you. Obviously, we all in it to make money. So truth up front first. If you sign up, I get $5 as soon as you start saving. If I can get a lot of people, then I get $5 more from everybody else. And if you smart, you'll get other people to sign up and you get $5 too. So don't be a fucking dumpster. I'm gonna tell you why I got this app. The reason I got this app is because I suck at saving money. Let's say I got $500 extra. I'll fuck around and spend it. You know what I'm saying? But the thing that I like about the Digits app is when there's money there, I'm not paying attention. It just kind of creeps into the night and grabs dollars every now and again. You know what I'm saying? So like, if I log into the app right now, it might be like, Sonny, we saved $27 yesterday. Now, what would I have done with that $27? I'd probably gone and got something to eat, or I don't know, I'd have done something. Like, I'm always buying like film equipment and shit. Like, I'd have spent it on something. Every time I need something, the money is there. So I can show y'all exactly how much I've saved in the last 4 months. So if you look right here, I saved $752.34 for my rainy day fund. And I literally started that 2.5 months ago. Now, maybe some of y'all can't afford for it to pull a lot of money, but I mean, I also have a Christmas fund, and I started that January 1st. That's at $687, because my goal for that was just to have $1,000 for my 2 kids and whatever's left for my oldest. What happens is, it puts the money into your account, and you'll probably be like, damn, it took a big ass chunk. But at the same time, if you want the money, you can go right to the app and put it right back into your account, you know, if you feel like it was too much. I'm asking y'all to sign up, because yeah, I'm gonna get $5 for everybody that signs up, but you can have the same thing. You can sign people up too, but you're saving money constantly. So right now, for my rainy day fund, my goal is to buy a new firearm, and I want a new camera. I'm sitting at $752 right now. So basically, in 2 months, my goal is $1,300. So in 2 months, I have a new camera and a fucking gun, you know what I'm saying? So it depends on what you want to do, but I know if you're patient, like, because a lot of people don't have the patience, they want to buy shit on credit, but I'm like, why don't you just save the damn money, and then when you have enough, then you can go buy what you want. Yeah, sign up, you know what I'm saying? Let me get $5. But you sign somebody up, and you can get $5. Rain and rain. I like that shirt. Today's episode was brought to you by my man Al Stone, Dripology. Their mission statement is definitely this: we are all drops in the bucket of life. Dripology is the study of life, coming when the time is right. So definitely support me. Appreciate y'all. You need one of these in your life. Bye. As always, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that like. Love y'all like I love y'all. Easy.